auditorium to the left. You guys can stop by and take a picture of the green screen.
Come check it out. Tell me you love it. Oh, looks amazing.
So we just had our first Centers for Innovation open house, in which families and students actually got to experience what it may look like next school year in Centers for Innovation. Students were able to go into the gym and go into the cafeteria and actually participate in different activities that they will participate in while they're at the school. Parents received a tour of the buildings and parents were able to ask questions. And they had transportation here to kind of provide that Q&A for them as well. Parents were really excited. Parents said that they're excited about something different for their students. They wanted to find out exactly what it will look like when they're working in small groups and in large groups. They wanted to know what kind of projects they'll be able to participate in. They heard about the partnership with Lego and the VCU Da Vinci Center. They also were excited about, they felt like their nerves had calmed based off of this new opportunity because they could see the spaces that the kids will be in. I saw high energy. Kids were actually working together. They seemed like they had a fabulous time when they were playing the games in the gym, as well as playing esports in the cafeteria. So we could definitely see that excitement and that interest that we were hoping we would see. Because it is something new and different, but it's what our middle school students need. Something different, innovative, design thinking, empathy, collaboration, communication. That's exactly what we need to do for our kids, so I'm excited.